Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show how to hide specific payment based on subscription products in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the subscription products condition. So first, we'll search for subscription products in the search bar and select it. Click Select Delete One combination to continue. In the section, you will see two options, subscription status and subscription name. If you select subscription status, the rule will apply only to products that have a subscription. If you select subscription name, the rule will be applied based on the product's subscription name. You'll then need to enter the subscription name in the input field. For this example, we will choose subscription status and choose if found. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add cash on delivery. If you don't see your payment method in this list, simply write the payment name manually, like Alipay, and click on Add Alipay option. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, cash on delivery and Alipay are visible because the cart does not contain subscription products. Now let's add subscription products to the cart and check again. As you can see, the cash on delivery and Alipay are hidden now. That's it. This is how to hide specific payment methods based on subscription products. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!